Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning River Hills residence, a stunning lakeside retreat nestled in the serene landscape of Austin. Today we're exploring a home that seamlessly blends modern design with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Emerging gracefully from a sloping berm, this residence embodies Austin's laid-back ethos. With a low profile thanks to its partially buried wings, the home is seamlessly integrated into the topography, allowing it to blend harmoniously with the landscape. The property boasts a sweeping lawn shaded by towering native pecan and bald cypress trees, creating a tranquil setting for relaxation and outdoor activities. A picturesque path from the main house leads to a serene swimming pool, a charming guest cabin, and a private boat dock, perfect for enjoying the lakeside lifestyle. Upon approach, the home's welcoming presence is emphasized by the central courtyard. Colorful native flower beds and steps lead you into this inviting space, offering a glimpse into the owner's curated collection of art through strategically placed windows. The exterior of the residence is a masterclass in material use. Weathering steel is utilized in various ways: cladding, handrails, chimneys, retaining walls, and scuppers, paired with treated ash wood, creating a striking and durable facade. Approaching the front of the home, the 10-foot-tall pivoting glass door stands as a modern entryway, framed by a path lined with Palo Verde trees. Step inside to the centerpiece of the residence, the expansive 1,000-square-foot great room. Anchored by a sculptural charcoal limestone fireplace, this space connects the two Corten-clad wings of the home. Two walls of floor-to-ceiling glass provide uninterrupted views of the landscape, while deep overhangs shield the interiors from the harsh summer sun, blending functionality with aesthetics. The great room is unified by a tray ceiling finished with acoustical fabric and bordered with weathering steel, creating a cohesive and refined ambience. The floors, crafted from wide planks of reclaimed longleaf pine, add warmth and character. Adjacent to the great room, the informal media room is a cozy retreat where the owner enjoys movies and records. Steel bookshelves are nestled into the limestone fireplace surround, enhancing both functionality and design. The kitchen, centered around a large island with barstool seating, is illuminated by clerestory windows. Sliding doors open up to an outdoor grilling and dining area, extending the living space and fostering a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. A striking 17-foot deep overhang defines the outdoor living spaces before extending upward to embrace the primary suite, which appears to float on the southeast corner of the residence. The cantilevered design provides both lightness and striking visual appeal. Ascending the staircase, finished with the same reclaimed longleaf pine as the floors, you'll notice it's bathed in natural light from a clerestory window above. The weathering steel handrails, equipped with concealed LED strip lights, add a contemporary touch. Upstairs, the primary suite features a sophisticated palette of gray leather, rich walnut, and dark basalt. The bedroom opens to a private balcony, and the shower includes a large window screened by hanging boughs, enhancing the connection to nature. River Hills Residence is more than just a home. It's a harmonious blend of modern design and natural beauty, offering a serene retreat that perfectly complements its stunning lakeside location. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible home features and design inspirations.